Let's talk about Z this time. Look at this. Z. Remember this one? Just like Re, one of the brothers or sisters of Re. Just the only difference between them would be this dot above and the sound that they make. So you should know that all the things that we talked about previous session for Re happens to Z as well. But now let's see. This one has only one form. No capital, no lowercase or small. Just one. So it can come at the beginning, in the middle, and at the end. And look at this red part here. It can attach to other letters or it can be alone. But as usual, we know that the reason that it may attach to other letters would be the previous letter. If that one wants to attach, this one has no other choice. But it can come alone as well. But now let's go and see how it looks like in the actual word. See? Here we have Z at the beginning. Here we have Z in the middle. Here we have it in the middle but attached to previous letter. And here again at the end, but this time it's alone. It can be attached to others like this one as well and come at the end. But now let's read them together. Zard. Zard. Remember this one that made other letters sound like itself? Yeah, it happened here. Zard. Zard is the same as yellow in English. Next one. Suzan. Suzan. See, it came alone in the middle of the word. Why? Because we all know that V doesn't want to attach. Suzan. Suzan is the same as needle in English. Suzan, needle. Next one, maze. What happened this time? Z attached to the letter before that. Why? Because we know that lowercase m has no other choice but to get attached from here. So Z attached to the letter. Maze. Maze. Maze is the same as taste in English. Taste. Maze. And the last one, دیروز. دیروز. دیروز is the same as yesterday in English. See, it follows all the algorithm that we had for Re in previous session. Let's see what we have for practice. Well, for next session, 1 or 2 lines, try to write down this one, and the part that it can attach to other letters should be in another color. And try to write down each one of these just once in case to, practice and see if you can do it, okay? There's no pressure. And instead of saying yellow, we say zard. Instead of saying needle, we say Suzan. Instead of saying taste, we say maze. And instead of saying yesterday, we say دیروز. When you did it, comment for me. If you had any questions, again, comment for me. And I see you guys next session. Love you. Bye.